Hey guys, it's Running Kimono. So in today's video, my mom will be opening up some oysters with pearls inside that were purchased on eBay. You probably can get a set of 10 of these for like under 20 bucks on eBay. I will leave the link to the seller who I purchased from. Basically, they send a number of these cans with oysters in it, and there's a pearl embedded, and the fun is to fish them out. The first can that we're opening up here on camera was completely dry, so the oyster was kind of like cemented together. So that one was a little challenging, but the last three were a breeze. So yeah, just an unedited video of us opening up a couple of oysters. Enjoy. Try, Mom. Like a can.
I can't pull this, Rachel. My hands are not the...
Okay. Matt, can you help her?
Do you want a pair of pliers?
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the fryer.
Or I can open them for you.
Just open them, honey.
Oh, these are hard.
I told you.
It's not just you.
Oh, you got it, honey. Wow, there it is.
Need a strong knife.
Okay. We got to open 3 more to go.
Holy moly.
It's a small shell, eh? Some I seen them very big.
Oh, wow, honey. You're doing a great job. I had to cut them from the bottom when I did it.
Some has water.
Did that one leak out?
Yeah.
Some people are making show out of this, eh?
You're so helpful.
That's true. Also modest.
That's funny.
Mom, do you want to get like a chopstick or something to pull it out? Like something to pierce it out, like a fork or something?
Why?
I don't know. That one first. Is it coming out?
How do you...
Hold on.
I'm no good at it, Rachel. I can't even open this.
Is it sealed together?
Yeah. I'll try to.
Oh, there you go, Mom. Just take your time.
I have a hard time with my arthritis, eh? I won't be finishing this, Rachel. I can't do this.
Hey, Matt, could you come and help us?
Yeah.
We're having some arthritis issues.
Why don't you do it?
Because I'm recording you do it.
Oh, okay.
See? But I wanted you to look for the pearls.
What's up?
Hold on.
I can't open this thing. Ugh.
Oh, did it fall out?
No. The shell went everywhere.
No.
This is like a lot of work.
Yeah, it is.
Where's the pearl, Mom?
I don't know. I can't even open the thing.
Do you want to just smash it with your bicep, honey? Oh, there you go.
Oh, there it is.
Is it your treasure, Mom?
Yeah. Only one? For
I guess,
customer?
yeah. I don't know.
Yeah,
Some might
it's
have a
nothing
couple.
there. No, nothing. Okay?
Okay. You want to do another one?
I don't think I can open this thing.
Maybe it's easier.
It was hard to open this can, eh?
It was hard.
But I think this will be easier because it was within the water, so it's more soft.
No, I can't do that.
It was easier.
Yeah.
Because they're wet. Okay, Mom, take your time.
Well, it's here. I can't take...
Hold on. Speedy Gonzalez with that one.
It's not around the computer. It's like an overrun.
Okay, go keep going. You still hungry? There's cake in the
Me?
fridge yet?
No, not at all. We've been eating my way across Canada. That's what it is. Okay, I'm stuffed.
Oh, Mom, you're so good at this. Oh, you're gonna go for those. Okay, move your hand, Mom.
It's like cracking a safe, these things.
Oh, you found it.
They're also about the same size. I like the pink one.
No. You got one of each color.
It is?
Yeah.
I thought
You got gold, pink, and white.
gold. Which one is gold?
That one's gold.
Really? I didn't know that.
Did you find any more treasures, Mom?
No, nothing.
Okay. You gonna fry those up in water later and make a stew, Mom?
No, I don't think so.
Make a
this is
New England clam chowder?
This is a hard one.
Okay.
There's no way I can open this thing.
Okay, do you want to help her, Matt?
Oh,
shit!
They went all over you.
Oh, thank God I'm wearing my mom's nightie.
I don't know my own strength. There you go.
Oh, where's it? There it is.
This is a pretty color too. Okay.
So what do you think, Mom? Or you think this is a waste of money?
I'm very impressed.
You're not impressed.
Well, what do you want?
Made a mess, eh?
Yeah, sure did.
Okay.